What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. We're once again here in the showroom. Look at all our classic cars. They're all for sale. They're all ready to rock and roll. But today we got a 1969 Pontiac GTO with a 400 and a turbo 400 hydromatic transmission. This one has a real 242 VIN, which we all want, being that it's a real GTO. The previous owner did a lot of work to it, fully rebuilt at the machine shop. Motor runs absolutely beautiful. It's got a brand new power disc brake setup on it with slotted and drilled disc brakes up front. Got power steering. It's got a lot of new suspension parts underneath, front and back. Take a look real quick. You see the new bushings, new tubular A-arms, sway bars, all done. Just super nice. See our slotted and drilled disc brakes there. Nice American racing wheels. Got drums in the back. The frame and floor pans is absolutely gorgeous. So you could eat off the bottom of it if you'd like. They look brand new. Bottom of the windows is clean. Drip rails is clean. Quarters clean. Same with the bottom of the doors. Like I said, real GTO. Bucket seats, got seat belts, front and back. Seats are in great shape. Does have a B&M shifter, aftermarket shifter, but works like she should there. Just give it a little fire up there and then we'll pull the motor. 6x9s in the package tray. Lights work like they should. Got stereo here. Let's pop the hood. Really clean engine bay. See that motor pane looks super nice. See the new tubular control arms, brand new power disc brake, power steering pump. Eyes look perfectly there, no flopping around. Real nice fortune valve, 242 VIN. Anyway, y'all, if we can earn your business, please let me know. My name is Josh with Drive the Coast. We do have nationwide shipping as well as financing available, as well as all these classics for sale. Check the website for what we currently offer. Feel free to give me a call. Thanks.